put him gently on your lap.
Oh my goodness. Look at the camera. Smile. Over here. Another one. One more. Look at the camera again. Over here.
Is he nibbling my hair?
Yes.
I love women. Left one here last night.
Ah, see, scratch.
Yes.
Can you
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Ooh, my eyes. So soft.
One more coming.
One more.
See? Poor thing, it got hurt.
They play very rough.
Yeah. Only playing.
They have to show their dominance.
Is he the big guy?
He's the big guy.
Ah.
Like he's watching everything.
Yeah, he's asking for you. He's asking for
But with lemurs, females are in charge.
Ah.
But he's the main guy.
What did you feed now? What did you feed him?
Raisin.
Raisin.
Racing.
I like it. It's like sweet for them. It's like that.
That's my hair. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Good hairstylist.
Would you like to sit together?
Yes, please.
For a
Sure, yeah,
photo?
sure.
Yeah.
Come.
I'll take with. Are you gonna take with the one, and then I'll take with this camera as well for you.